negative in the front causes the graph to flip over. The A value is negative, causes it to flip, which makes it both the Y values decreasing. Now here you use negative B over 2A, and then our B value is 12, A is 1. Divide that, your H value is negative 6. You plug negative 6 back into your equation, and you get negative 37 for your Y value, or your H and K value. Determine vertex of the following equation. That's H, that's K. So you gotta do the opposite, which is make that a negative 2. And then 5 is just, negative 5 is just K. Right here, since A is negative again, since A is negative 1/2, I'm gonna flip the graph upside down. So both of the Y values will be decreasing. The symmetry, so we're going to use negative B over 2A. B is negative 6, my A is 3. So I divide, do a negative 6 makes that a positive 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So that's my X value on my graph. It will be split right here at 1. So what is the average rate of change? 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0, negative 1, and 2, 3. So use our slope formula. 3 minus negative 1 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. M equals 2. Right here, flips over the x-axis and moves left 3, because it's the opposite, just like in the vertex form, the H value. So A is negative, so that's what flips it. Alright, right here, it's a vertical shrink by a factor of 1/3 because it's not inside parentheses, it's outside multiplying. This one reflects over the x-axis because A equals negative 1. Moves right 2 because it's opposite. Moves up 4, vertical shift. This is a vertical stretch by a factor of 3 because the A value is greater than 1. And a vertical shift down 6 because the K value is negative 6. Right here, down the vertex form, our A value equals negative 2, so that automatically makes this one the answer. We'll use negative B over 2A. A is negative 2. B, 12. Negative B, which is negative 12, divided by 2 times negative 2, gives me negative 12 divided by negative 4. H equals 3, which is the opposite on our vertex form equation. Because our vertex form is A, X minus H plus K. So it's opposite, so that's why it's negative 3 instead of 3. Plug it back into our equation. K equals negative 5. Right here, our vertex, our maximum point is 2, 4, just by looking on the graph. So we gotta do the opposite in our formula, make it a negative 2, make it a positive 4. Right here, oh, it's gonna be a negative 1. So it's gonna be negative 1. X minus 2 squared plus 4. Which is the following equation? We got negative B over 2A. A is 1, B is 14, which H gives me negative 7, which we do have to change the sign as we've already saw. Plug it back in. to the equation. It makes k negative 46. Right here, we can turn it from vertex to standard. So we're going to use our box method to do x minus 1 twice. Gives me x squared and negative x and 1. Combine them, we get this, multiply that by 3 and add 2 on the end of it. We end up getting 3x squared minus 6x plus 5.